Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Windows 10 critical error, start menu and Cortana not working. So to resolve this problem, search CMD, right click on it, run as administrator, click on yes. Now type this command line sfc space / scan now. Press enter. Now guys, it will take a couple of minutes, so complete this scanning, and once this complete, restart your system. So this is the easy method to fix and resolve Windows 10 critical error. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.